What is up, everyone? Welcome to CanvaPlay!
Hello, good hearts and godsends. My name is Simon, Goodheart VA, and welcome to our channel Canva Play. We make videos here in Canva Play to share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications just below this video so you don't miss out on every video we post here as we upload new videos all the time. Alright then, let me start our today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a snow action effect in Canva. In tropical country like in our country, Philippines, snow is not visible. We sometimes would want to experience the true snowy feeling, the snowflakes that melt and turns into water as soon as they touch our skin, like some Western people who has a winter season, but it can't be. We want to have a picture of ours in a snow, and since we can't, I thought of why not edit my photos in Canva and create a realistic snow effect. Is it possible? My answer is yes. Absolutely possible. How? Watch this tutorial and you'll learn how Canva Play made this possible. But before that, here is the design that I will create. I am now in a blank Canva design page and let's create a design. To start, get your subject image from photos or uploads. I will get mine from uploads. I got this image from other photo stock sites by searching the keyword man in coat leans against railing. I chose this photo because of the perfect ambience it has. It's like in a cold setting scenario, and I want to add a snow effect in this photo to see how it will look like after. To proceed, I will set my image as my background. Now, our aim for this image is to transform it as if its setting is in a winter season. The first thing to do is to adjust the colors and make it cool and soft, having less sunlight and more like a chilly vibe kind of weather. We can achieve that by using some of the built-in photo editing effects under Edit Image. So let's select this image. Now go to Edit Image. Scroll down and find the photogenic effect. This one, click See All. And let's scroll down, find the Cool section. Under Cool, click on Nordic. And then click Apply. Let's just wait for it to load. To continue, I will apply and adjust filter settings to this photo so that it will intensify even more the applied photogenic effect we did a while ago. So using this image, go again to Edit Image, scroll down and find the Adjust Settings, click See All, and change the following settings to Contrast, -10, Saturation, -15, Blur, -5, Warmth, -50, Clarity, 3, Shadows, 100. Perfect. We have now adjusted the vibe to our desired weather which is close to winter. I will zoom in for you to see the effect that we made. We will now apply the snow action effect to the image and make it more realistic. How? We will use realistic snow elements available in Canva and overlay them in the designs. Next, go to Elements and type in the search bar the keyword Snow Overlays. Hit enter and then go to Graphics, and you will see so many options to choose from. How cool is that, right? Finding keywords is hard and time consuming, and you need to do a depth search and a lot more time to find this kind of keyword. If you want to save time and find extraordinary keywords like this in Canva, we have created an ebook called CanvaDeep. CanvaDeep is an ebook of 900 plus Canva search keywords with visual presentations that are widely known, and deep search will help you find the exact stack Canva resources for your day-to-day designs. Feel free to try them all. As for me, I will choose this one, the fifth one. I'll just show to you the keyword Snow Overlay. I will click it and use it in the design. Now I will resize this one to occupy the whole page. I'll just position it middle center. And then lock it. I'll go again to Elements. I'll add another one. So I think maybe a bit scattered snowfall with tiny bits of snow. Like this first one, showing you again the keyword Snow Overlay. I will click it and use it in the design. Same goes for this one. I'll resize this to occupy the whole page. I'll position it middle center and lock it. Now I will zoom in for you to see the realistic snow overlays we just added in the picture or in the design. As easy as that. For the last layer of overlay, I will search for another element that will add some windy vibe to the weather. So let's go to Elements and type in the search bar the keyword Cloud Isolated Transparent Overlay. Hit enter. Go to Graphics. And you will see so many options here to choose from. And I already had my pick. I think I'll go with this one. Showing you the keyword Cloud Isolated Transparent Overlay. I will click it and use it in the design. So using this element, I will duplicate it because I want to have a foggy part at the top of the image and at the bottom of the image. So for this one, I'll just resize it based on my preference. Okay. I'll position it at the top, then center. I'll just move it upward like this. Perfect. And for this one, using this element, I'll adjust the transparency from 100 to 70. Okay, I will resize this again. And position it here at the bottom part of the image. And make sure it is in the center position. I'll select them both and then lock them. I'll zoom it in for you to see the overlay texture clearly. Cool, right? As easy as that. This is now the final look of the design I created using the snow action effect in Canva. That's it! For more design inspirations, watch this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I am Simon, Good Heart VA, saying, sharing is caring. In behalf of Pinky Godsent VA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next video with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys, see you in the next video.